Hey guys, Ramblin Bob here again. What a major update. Okay, now, no one else has to do what I'm going to do. These are the updated boards. I finally got them from Pecron. These are the new MPPT charging controller boards from Pecron. As you see, it'll say MPPT 500-9029 version 2. This is the new board that's in all the new Pecrons, guys. So no one else will ever have to do this, because all the new Pecrons that they're selling, all the E2000LFPs, will already have these in there. So you don't have to worry about trying to install these. They sent them to me because they asked me, could I install them myself? And I thought, yeah, you know, I'll make a swing at it. And this is basically so you can have a stronger surge voltage in your port 1 and port 2. They were also, I'll tell you what, guys, this company is unbelievable. It's tough to talk to them sometimes because of the language barrier, but look what they gave me also. This is a complete new set of the little rubbery things, just in case we were to break them by taking, you know, them off the system. I was able to get these off, no problem, off the main system. Here, I'll show you. So when you have the main system like this, all you have to do is kind of grip it like this, you know, like a bear grip. Put your thumb right here and then just give it hell. And see how they pop right off? They don't break, but I'll tell you what, Pecron, that was a really, really nice thing to do, because they didn't have to do that. They really didn't. And I think they gave me these in case I broke them trying to get them off, you know? So hands down to them. This company, they seem to care, guys. This is a rarity now, at least for me in electronics, and I bought many things over the years. But these are the new boards now. So there's port number 1 or 2, depending on which one you put it in. They're both the same. See on the back it says E2000LFP, and then the board number is 102-31185. That's one board, okay? And then this, notice that this one has the same number, MPPT 500-9029 version 2, right? And then here's the serial number of this board. And then when you flip it over, you have, if I can put them together, let's see here. You want to be careful with circuit boards, guys. You want to ground yourself before you start goofing with them. And notice that that is 102-31189. So they're very close to being the same serial numbers, right? And obviously they do that for obvious reasons, is that's part number blah blah blah, and that's part number blah blah blah. So when it comes off the assembly line, they know exactly how many parts of what, you know, each piece that they made. And then these are anti-static bags, so it's always good to keep circuit boards in or on top of those when you know, flop them on the table. So I just want you guys to look at the board real close for all the gearheads out there, all the electronic buffs out there, and just kind of see what's going on. This is the MPPT controller that they're using, okay? And then this board is 202-10811. And if you look at this, it's 202-10811. So both of these have the exact same boards, and then I think those are the parts of how many they made, or, you know, how many pieces or whatever, as far as inventory probably. But I just wanted you to look at it close and just kind of see what's going on. These wires are up there. They're up there like that. Neither one is connected. I don't know what they're for. I'm not so much of a circuit guy when it comes to solar. It's different than electronics as far as audio. It's similar but different. It's hard to explain, because, you know, you have charging ports and stuff, charging parts in here that you don't have normally in electronics for music. It's just, I don't know, the boards look a little similar to me, and they look a little different, so I don't want to monkey with too much. But here's your input or your out, and then here's your in and out. So it should be a very simple, simplistic swap. And then obviously this is probably going to be your solder point from either your negative or your positive. And then, yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to look at the board that's inside there, and then we're going to swap them and see how it goes. But now remember this, guys, absolutely remember this. I'm only doing this for information, as far as learning. I'm not going to shoot a video of these being changed or anything. I'm not going to do that, because there'll probably be a lot of swear words, I'll be honest with you. Sometimes, you know, putting this stuff can be frustrating. But I just wanted to show you that this is the new board that you get in a version 2 of the Pecron. So if you have version 1, you don't have these. If you have version 2 or forward, then you have these. And these will take the surge of 2 PV300s. Remember when I did that test and then they shorted out? Well, this is what's shorted out, and it might not have been able to take the voltage spike. You know what I mean? So if there's a spike from the solar panels, it put it down like a safety. You know, like put it in a hibernation kind of mode, to where, you know, it wouldn't burn up the you know, the controller or, you know, the batteries or anything. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. Pecron is so far for me, hell of a company. Guys, they stood behind everything that they said. They said they were going to send me the boards. These didn't cost me not a penny. Not a penny. It's not a sponsored video because, as I said, you know, I'm not selling these boards, and I don't think they are either. I think that they just, you know, asked me, can you do it yourself, or do you want me to send, you know, have you send the entire E2000 in and then install them for you? And I thought, you know what? I'm going to take a swing at them, send them over. And it doesn't look too confusing. You got 1, 2 major hookup points and then 2 solder points. If those are even solder points, I assume they are. But like, see, these have the 2 holes right here. See, right, the corner, one here and one here. And then these have right here. Now, for all I know, those could be screw points, right? I have no idea. I didn't open it yet. But being that they're connected back here, I don't think that you would put a screw. I think those are, unless maybe you put a screw. See, I don't know. I haven't opened it yet, guys. So, all right, I just wanted to let you guys know that this is a cool thing. Very cool. Pecron, thank you very much for sending this to me. I really appreciate it. This, outstanding. Absolutely outstanding. Thank you. It wasn't even needed, but now I have a backup set of rubber bumpers in case I ever need them. Rubber bumpers. That reminds me of that rubber baby buggy bumper. I don't know. I can never say it. Anyway, yeah, ramble on, guys. Stay safe out there. I'm going to mess with this stuff, and then I'll talk to you again. All right. Bye, guys.